everyone, welcome to Crafting with Ali. Today I'm just going to go through the contents of the new Archer and Olive subscription box for September. This one arrives about 3 weeks after the date that it is released here in Australia, and it's always frustrating to watch other people opening these boxes online because I just can't help myself, can't wait. There are a lot of videos online about what's actually inside the box, but I want to take it a little bit further in my videos because I want to show you what I'm going to do with what's actually inside the box. And it's not necessarily going to be about bullet journaling, so let's have a look inside. And this month we've got a pen case, which I'm assuming would hold the acrylograph pens and perhaps even the new brush pens that I've seen online as well. Here in this container we have a weekly calendar sticker roll. We have 3 boxes. I'll put those to the side just for a moment. Here we have a lovely envelope, and it opens to show a card, have the power to create change. In this box we have got a lovely surprise for this month, and that is some brush lettering cards, but more importantly brush lettering pens. So these are calligraph pens with a point at one end, larger point, smaller point at the other. This is still a soft tip end, I believe, and the colours are lovely. So we've got some sort of cool hues there, the same as the colours that are running throughout the box for this month. We have a sticker book, 3 sheets of each. Habits, notes, to-dos. There we go, 2 of 3 sets, so 2 each. Okay. And here we have some adhesive backed envelope pockets, 3 geometric designs. And lastly in this box we have some colouring pages. Now these colouring pages feature some gemstones, there's a cat, an intricate design there. Now, I don't know if you're thinking, all right, there's lots in this box, what do I actually do with it? Because that's what I thought in the last box. I actually ended up giving some of it away, to be honest. This time, I'm going to try a little harder on that. But before we do that, I've got 3 more boxes here that I just need to... It's a little mini journal. And this one is a blackout book. It does have a little pocket in the back. There we go, that's kind of cute. There are 112 pages, 160 GSM still. So this one, you may have got a bit of an inkling. I just showed you that. It's beautiful blue denim colour. Craft pages. Still has these, great, so cute. Okay, we have the dark blue, and this one is the white grid, white dot grid. So I'm absolutely loving the contents of this particular box. In fact, I think it's probably the best one. And I have some ideas for how to use these colouring in pages for a piece of artwork that I want to do. So I'm going to put that out to the side. And I definitely want to have a look at these art brush pens. And I do have some ideas for that. All right. That's the contents of the Archer and Olive subscription box. And I'll be back in another video to show you how I'm going to be using this in a piece of artwork. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you then.